Heliography, in French, heliography, from helios, Greek, lambda iota omicron, meaning sun, and graphein, gamma rho phi epsilon iota nu, writing, is the photographic process invented by Joseph Nicéphore Niépce around 1822, which he used to make the earliest known surviving photograph from nature, View from the Window at Gras, 1826 or 1827, and the first realization of photoresist as means to reproduce artworks through inventions of photolithography and photogravure. Niépce prepared a synopsis of his experiments in November 1829, on heliography, or a method of automatically fixing by the action of light the image formed in the camera obscura, which outlines his intention to use his heliographic method of photogravure or photolithography as a means of making lithographic, intaglio or relief master plates for multiple printed reproductions. He knew that the acid-resistant bitumen of Judea used in etching hardened with exposure to light. In experiments he coated it on plates of glass, zinc, copper, and silver surfaced copper, pewter and lithographic stone, and found it resisted dissolution in oil of lavender and petroleum, so that the uncoated shadow areas could be traditionally treated through acid etching in aquatint to print black ink out the exposed and solvent-treated plate itself, as in the case of View from the Window at Gras, presents a negative or positive image dependent upon ambient reflection, not unlike the daguerreotype, which was based on Niépce's discoveries. Bitumen has a complex and varied structure of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, linked benzene rings, containing a small proportion of nitrogen and sulfur. Its hardening in proportion to its exposure to light is understood to be due to further cross-linking of the rings, as is the hardening of tray resins, colophony, or adiatic acid, by light, first noted by Jean Senebier in 1782. The photochemistry of these processes, which has been studied by Jean-Louis Marigny of University Paris since the 1990s, is still to be fully understood. The word has also been used to refer to other phenomena, for description of the sun, cf. geography, for photography in general, for signaling by heliograph, a device less commonly called a heliotrope or heliotelegraph, and for photography of the sun the abbreviations heliog or heliogre, found on old reproductions, may stand for the French word heliogravure, and can then refer to any form of photogravure. Art and Architecture Thesaurus, SV Heliography. Accessed December 10, 2007. Harry Ransom Center. The University of Texas at Austin. The First Photograph. Accessed December 10, 2007. An improved method in the art of signaling for military and scientific purposes, 1887. Accessed June 1, 2008.